In this presentation, we will explore PHP Template Engines. Template engines offer a clean separation between PHP logic and HTML presentation. This separation makes code more maintainable and designer-friendly. Let's delve into the reasons for using template engines. Template engines provide a clean separation, ensuring that the logic stays within PHP files, while the presentation resides in the templates. This division simplifies development and maintenance. Template engines offer enhanced security through built-in auto-escaping, which prevents cross-site scripting attacks and potential data breaches. Here are some of the popular PHP template engines. First, Twig, the most popular option, is the default engine for the Symfony framework. Next, Smarty is a veteran choice that uses compiled templates for enhanced performance. Plates uses native PHP, so there is no new syntax to learn. Finally, Blade is Laravel's engine, offering a simple and elegant syntax. Let's introduce Twig, a modern template engine for PHP. Twig is designed to be both fast and secure. It compiles templates and automatically escapes output by default. It offers a clean, designer-friendly syntax, similar to Django and Jinja 2, and supports powerful template inheritance. To install Twig, use Composer with the command composer require twig/twig. For the basic setup, create loader and environment objects to begin rendering templates. This process initializes Twig for use in your project. Let's explore the basic syntax of Twig. To display variables and expressions, use double curly braces, such as name. Accessing object properties can be done using dot notation, like user.email. Mathematical operations are also supported directly within the template. Statements and comments use curly braces with percent signs, for example, %if user %, %endif %. Comments are written within curly braces and hash symbols, such as hashtag, this is a comment hashtag. In Twig, variables can be modified using filters. Here are some common filters. The upper filter converts a string to uppercase, as in name upper. The length filter returns the length of a string, like content length. The number format filter formats a number, such as price number _ format. The date filter formats a date, as in a date, YMD. Filters can also be chained together to apply multiple transformations. For example, a title lower replace first converts the title to lowercase and then replaces a specific substring. Similarly, text strip tags trim first removes HTML tags from the text and then trims any leading or trailing whitespace. Twig provides control structures for conditional logic and looping. For conditional logic, use %if %, %else %, and %endif %. For example, %if user.is admin % will display admin panel if the user is an admin, otherwise, it will display user dashboard. For loops, use %for % and %end for %. For example, %for product and products % will loop through each product in the products array and display its name. Twig supports template inheritance, which allows you to define a base template and then extend it in child templates. In the base template, you can define blocks using %block % and %endblock %. For example, you might have a block for the title and another for the content. In a child template, you can extend the base template using %extends %, and then override the blocks defined in the base template. For example, you can override the title block to provide a custom page title. Let's explore the Smarty template engine. Smarty uses a unique syntax with delimiters and variables enclosed in curly braces. For example, to display a variable, you would use $username. Conditional statements are similar, such as if $user. A key feature of Smarty is its compiled templates, which enhance performance, along with the built-in caching system. Let's examine the Plates template engine. Plates uses native PHP syntax, making it easy to learn for those familiar with PHP. To display a variable, you would use the short echo tag equals $username. To escape output, you can use the $this-v function. Conditional statements are written using standard PHP syntax, such as PHP if $user. The key feature of Plates is that it requires no new syntax, as it uses pure PHP with automatic escaping. When choosing a template engine, consider the needs of your project. Twig is great for modern projects. Smarty excels in performance. Plates is ideal for PHP purists. As a best practice, always escape output to prevent cross-site scripting attacks, use template inheritance to keep your templates organized, and keep logic in controllers to maintain a clear separation of concerns. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.